Hi friends, on revision of chapter number 12, that is aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid. So first part, here in case carbon is attached with oxygen with the double bond, that is we have to discuss the C double bond O containing species. That is aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. So without wasting much time, let's start with the first part, that is preparations of aldehyde compound. So preparation of aldehyde compound, first reaction is known as Rosenmund reaction. Now Rosenmund reaction start with benzoyl chloride in the presence of H2 PDBaSO4. When you hit this component, you get benzaldehyde. So first question arises, how can we prepare a benzoyl chloride? So when RCOH treated with SOCl2, PCl5 or PCl3, wherever you have OH, you have to write Cl. So RCOH is converted into RCOCl. So when benzoic acid is treated with SOCl2, you get benzoyl chloride. The first reaction, Rosenmund, benzoyl chloride in the presence of H2 PDBaSO4, you get benzaldehyde. Second, Stephan. So Stephan reaction, RC triple bond N in the presence of SnCl2HCl, simple reduction. This pi bond breakdown, one H goes to this carbon, another H goes to this nitrogen. At intermediate first step, we get RCH double bond NH. On hydrolysis in the presence of H2O, this H2 goes to NH, ammonia is released, and this oxygen goes to carbon, you get RCHO and ammonia is released. Let's discuss one example of Stephan reaction. Instead of R, we'll start with CH3CN in the presence of SnCl2HCl. Once again reduction, one H goes to carbon, one H goes to nitrogen, you get CH3, CH double bond NH. On hydrolysis, we get CH3, CHO and ammonia is released. Next is selective reduction. So RCN in the presence of aluminum isobutoxide, hydrolysis. So wherever you have CN, you have to write CHO. So RCN is converted into RCHO. Example, CH3, CH2CN in the presence of aluminum isobutoxide, you get CH3, CH2, CHO. Second, ester reduces and you get aldehyde. CH3, CH2, CH2, C double O, C2H5, Dbal H. So Dbal H basically reduces C double OR to CHO. So wherever you have C double OR, it's converted into CHO. What is the full form of Dbal H? Diisobutyl aluminum hydride. So that is all about your second selective reduction. Third is Gattermann-Koch reaction. Gattermann-Koch reaction start with when benzene is treated with COHCl and anhydrous AlCl3. So benzene is converted into benzaldehyde. This reaction is known as Gattermann-Koch reaction. Next is Itard reaction. Itard reaction start with toluene. When toluene is treated with chromyl chloride is nothing but CrO2Cl2 in the presence of CS2. Intermediate condition, you get brown complexes. So basically toluene के अंदर 3 प्रोटॉन होते हैं, उसमें से 2 प्रोटॉन क्रोमाइल क्लोराइड के साथ फ्यूज्ड हो जाएंगे. So that is OCrOHCl2. Another hydrogen replaced OCrOHCl2. So this is your brown complex. On hydrolysis of this brown complex, this part, this is chromium part, is completely dissolved and you get benzaldehyde. So this is all about your Itard reaction. One more application of Itard, when toluene is treated with CrO3 chromic acid in the presence of acetic anhydride, 273 to 283 Kelvin temperature. So basically it's converted into complexes just like brown complex. Hydrolyze this part is dissolved and you get your benzaldehyde. So this is all about application of Itard. Next is simple halogenation. When toluene is 2 times chlorinated by Cl2 in the presence of UV light. So 2 hydrogen, 2 chlorine, replace you get CHCl2. And this CHCl2 undergoes hydrolysis, 2H2, 2Cl2, 2HCl is released and this oxygen is directly attached with here, you get your benzaldehyde. Next is preparation of ketone. After completion of preparation of aldehyde, next part is preparation of ketone. 3 simple preparation. First is really very simple one. Generally do not ask in board examination. 2RMgX plus CdCl2. So you get R2CD plus 2MgXCl. सेकेंड स्टेप R2CD से ही कंटिन्यू करेंगे. R2CD इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ RCOCl एसिड क्लोराइड के साथ रिएक्शन करेंगे. सो यहां से Cl, यहां से CD, CdCl2 इज रिलीज्ड एंड यू गेट योर कीटोन. नेक्स्ट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, दैट इज Grignard रिएक्शन. CH3CH2Cn plus C6H5 MgBr. 6,6H5 goes to carbon, MgBr goes to nitrogen. In the presence of ether, you get CH3, CH2C, C6H5 double bond and MgBr. On hydrolysis, O and H2. So basically you get C2H5, CO, C6H5 and NH2 MgBr is your byproduct. Let's discuss one more example. If you start with CH3Cn plus C2H5 MgBr, once again C2H5 goes to carbon, MgBr goes to nitrogen. In the presence of dry ether, we get CH3, C2H5 and MgBr. On hydrolysis, you get CH3, CO, C2H5 and NH2 MgBr is your byproduct. Next is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acetylation. So basically when benzene is treated with CH3Cl anhydrous AlCl3, you get acetophenone. The same benzene when treated with C6H5COCl, you get benzophenone. So CH3COCl के साथ रिएक्शन करेंगे, HCl निकल जाएगा, you get acetophenone. Same, H from here, Cl from here, you get benzophenone. So these are the three preparations of ketone. Few miscellaneous preparation जो आपने शायद आगे भी पढ़ लिया, that is RCH2OH. When oxidized, you get RCHO. RCHOH in the presence of R, oxidized, you get ketone. CH triple bond CH on HgSO4, H2SO4, you get CH3CHO. So basically these are the some preparation. जैसे 11th में आपने ozonolysis देखा था. When alkene undergoes ozonolysis, first step O3 is introduced between this double bond containing species. Next step hydrolysis. Hydrolysis जैसे ही करोगे you get CH2O. CH2O is nothing but HCHO and HCHO. So this is all about your preparations of ketone and aldehyde. Next chemical reactions of aldehyde and ketone. उसके अंदर सबसे पहले देखना है न्यूक्लियोफिलिक एडिशन रिएक्शन. सबसे पहले की रिएक्शन देखते हैं. RCOOH and R in the presence of nucleophile. This nucleophile goes to this carbon. So what you get? You get C nucleophile O negatively charged. जैसे ही न्यूक्लियोफाइल कार्बन के साथ जाएगा ये डबल बॉन्ड टूट जाएगा. जैसे डबल बॉन्ड टूट जाएगा ऑक्सीजन के ऊपर नेगेटिव चार्ज. टू बैलेंस दिस नेगेटिवली चार्ज H प्लस उसको न्यूट्रलाइज करेगा. You get R, C, R and H, OH and Nu. So this is all about your nucleophilic addition reaction. एक एक करके एग्जांपल डिस्कस करते हैं. फर्स्ट की रिएक्शन देखने के बाद फर्स्ट रिएक्शन विद HCN. So if we have a carbonyl compound in the presence of HCN, HCN is nothing but H plus plus Cn minus. तो Cn अटैक करेगा कार्बन के ऊपर, H चला जाएगा O के पास. फर्स्ट स्टेप Cn is introduced to the system, there is a negative charge on this. To balance this negative charge ये H plus यहाँ से यहाँ चला जाएगा, you get this. So HCN, finally you get cyanohydrin derivatives. Next is reaction with NaHSO3. When carbonyl compound treated with NaHSO3, this is nothing but Na plus plus HSO3 minus. HSO3 goes to this carbon, Na goes to this oxygen. You get ONA and SO3H. Next step proton transfer reaction. H यहाँ से यहाँ चला जाएगा, Na यहाँ से यहाँ आ जाएगा. You get OH and SO3Na. One more example, when RCOOH in the presence of alcohol, HCl की presence में alcohol के साथ reaction करेंगे. So R-OH is nothing but H plus plus OR-. So this goes to this carbon, H plus goes to this oxygen. You get OH and OR-. That is nothing but hemiacetal. Still we have one OH, उसको replace करेंगे R-OH के साथ. तो second step का reaction कीजिए. OH from here, H from here, water molecule released and OR- जो है वो यहाँ पे चिपक जाएगा. You get acetal. तो अगर एक OR- हुआ तो that is hemiacetal. अगर दो OR- हो गए तो that is acetal. Next, when ketone is treated with ethylene glycol is nothing but OH, CH2, CH2, OH. So O from here, H from here, H from here, H2 is released. So now this carbon is directly associated with O, CH2, CH2. So this is nothing but cyclic ketal. R, C, R has it is. C directly attack करेगा O के साथ, CH2, CH2, O, this. So this is all about your cyclic ketal. Next, when ketone is treated with NH2Z, so once again this is H++ and NHZ. This NHZ goes to this carbon, H+ goes to this oxygen. You get NHZ and OH. OH from here, H from here, water molecule is released. So basically यहाँ से OH, यहाँ से H, H2O चला जाएगा. We get C double bond N dash Z. Now Z can be anything. CH3 हो सकता है, C2H5 हो सकता है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. तो let's take instead of Z we'll start with CH3 CH2 means ethyl amine से start करते हैं. So your reaction start with when ketone undergo CH3 CH2 NH2. So यहाँ से एक HO के पास, remaining part goes to this carbon. So you get OH over here and NH CH2 CH3. Now OH from here, H from here, water molecule is released and you get double bond containing compound. So this is all about your nucleophilic reaction towards carbonyl compound. Let's start with the aldol condensation reaction. Basically aldol condensation reaction होगा aldehyde and ketone, but both are symmetrical. Means same aldehyde and same ketone can take part in this reaction and we get the product. So 2CH3CH in the presence of dilute NaOH, you get X. Complete this following reaction. So CH3COH, CH3COH. So this is symmetrical aldehyde, same aldehyde, 2 मोल लेने हैं. कार्बोनिल टू एडजेसेंट कार्बन. एक चीज याद रख लिए, एक ही चीज याद रखनी है, aldol हो या क्रॉस aldol हो, कार्बोनिल के एडजेसेंट कार्बन के पास जो प्रोटॉन है वही माइग्रेट करेगा. वंस अगेन कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड के एडजेसेंट कार्बन वाला प्रोटॉन माइग्रेट करेगा यहां से यहां. सो व्हाट वी गेट CH3 हैज इट इज CHOH. जिसने प्रोटॉन दिया है वही सेंटर कार्बन के साथ जुड़ सकता है. सो यू गेट CH2COH. Once again, CH3COH, CH3COH. Carbonyl to adjacent carbon proton can migrate over here. So we get CH3, CHOH, then CH2COH. Next step, when you hit this component, OH from here, H from here. जिसने प्रोटॉन दिया वही सेकंड स्टेप में प्रोटॉन देगा. OH from here, OH, H from here. अब यहां से प्रोटॉन नहीं निकाल सकते हो, यहीं से प्रोटॉन जाएगा. H, OH, water molecule is released. What is left? CH3, CH, double bond CH, CHO. So this is your symmetrical aldehyde का. एक कीटोन का एग्जांपल डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. So 2 mole of CH3CO CH3, dilute NaOH. So this is CH3CO NH3, sorry, CH3CO CH3, CH3CO CH3. Once again, carbonyl to adjacent carbon gives proton. तो CH3C CH3, इसी ने प्रोटॉन डोनेट किया है तो दैट इज OH. यही यहां पे जुड़ जाएगा, दैट इज CH2 CO CH3. नेक्स्ट स्टेप, OH फ्रॉम हियर, H फ्रॉम हियर, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल इज रिलीज्ड. यू गेट CH3C CH3, डबल बॉन्ड CH, सिंगल बॉन्ड CO CH3. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर aldol कंडेंसेशन. अगर aldol परफेक्टली आ रहा है तभी आपको क्रॉस aldol परफेक्टली आएगा. क्रॉस aldol कंडेंसेशन, क्रॉस aldol कंडेंसेशन इज अनसिमेट्रिकल aldehyde एंड कीटोन के बारे में होता है. मीन्स दोनों डिफरेंट हो सकते हैं. सबसे पहले एग्जांपल लिया है CH3 CH2 CHO प्लस C6H5 CH2 CO CH3. तो अज्यूम कर लीजिए दिस इज X, दिस इज Y एंड वी गेट 4 प्रोडक्ट A B C D. A and B are the self aldol reaction, C and D are the cross aldol product. तो सबसे पहले आपको aldol ही करना है. aldol is nothing but X के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा, Y के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा. तो दैट इज सेल्फ aldol. X के साथ रिएक्शन करेगा, यू गेट A. Y के साथ रिएक्शन करेगा, देन यू गेट B. देन X and Y यू गेट C. Y and X यू गेट D. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट A B C D प्रोडक्ट फॉर्मेशन कैसे होता है. सो स्टेप नंबर 1, X के साथ रिएक्ट करेगा. सो बेसिकली CH3 CH2 COH plus CH3 CH2 COH. Carbonyl to next carbon means this. Maximum people make mistake, वो यहां CH3 से H निकालते हैं. फिर से बता रहा हूं, कार्बोनिल के एडजेसेंट कार्बन वाला ही प्रोटॉन डोनेट करेगा. CH3 में से गलती से भी प्रोटॉन मत निकालिएगा. कार्बोनिल टू नेक्स्ट कार्बन दैट इज CH2 में से H जाएगा O के पास. व्हाट वी गेट CH3 CH2 CHOH CH CH3 COH. फाइन. सो बेसिकली यहां से एक H यहां पे चला गया एंड यू गेट दिस प्रोडक्ट. व्हेन यू हिट दिस कंपोनेंट, OH from here, H from here, water molecule is released. And what is left in this side? C2H5 means this CH double bond C, नीचे CH3 CHO. This is all about your X cross X means A बन गया आपका. Likewise Y cross Y, that is called B. अब B के बारे में डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करते हैं. B कैसे बनेगा? That is C6H5 CH2CO CH3 plus C6H5 CH2 CO CH3. Now once again carbonyl to next carbon. जिसके पास लंबी कार्बन की चेन होगी वहीं से प्रोटॉन निकलेगा, यहां से नहीं निकलेगा. फाइन, तो यहां से एक H यहां पे चला गया. What we get? C6H5 CH2 has it is C, नीचे OH, ऊपर CH3. देन जिसने प्रोटॉन दिया है वही कार्बन के साथ जुड़ेगा, दैट इज CH. C6H5 goes to in ब्रांच, ये ब्रांच में चला गया. CO CH3. फिर से बता रहा हूं, कार्बोनिल टू नेक्स्ट कार्बन दिस CH2 रिलीज H and goes to this O, तो you get C6H5 CH2C CH3 OH. जिसने प्रोटॉन दिया वही कार्बन के साथ जुड़ेगा, दैट इज CH. This goes to the branch, that is C6H5 CO CH3. When you hit this component, OH from here, H from here, water molecule is released and you get double bond containing system. तो ये बन गया आपका B प्रोडक्ट Y cross Y. Next is X cross Y, CH3 CH2 COH plus C6H5 CH2 CO CH3. Same story guys, कीटोन से नेक्स्ट प्रोटॉन यहां से यहां ट्रांसफर होगा. CH3 CH2 CHOH CH C6H5 CO CH3. When you hit this component, OH from here, H from here, water molecule is released and you get C2H5 CH double bond C C6H5 CO CH3. So this is your X cross Y. Next is Y cross X. So once again C6H5 CH2 CO CH3 CH3 CH2 COH. यहां से एक H यहां पे चला जाएगा. What you get? You get C6H5 CH2 C CH3 OH CH नीचे CH3 COH. When you hit this component, OH from here, H from here, water molecule is released and you get C double bond O containing species. This is all about your cross aldol reaction. Next, Cannizzaro reaction. अब ऐसी स्पीशीज कर रहे हैं जिसके पास कार्बोनिल टू adjacent we don't have any carbon. That reaction is known as Cannizzaro reaction. HCOOH, HCOOH in the presence of NaOH. So basically this H goes to this carbon, this H goes to this oxygen. We get methanol. What is left in this side? HCOONA. फिर से एक बार, NaOH is strong base has tendency to absorb acidic proton. तो ये H चला जाएगा कार्बन के पास. OH में से जो H है वो ऑक्सीजन के पास चला जाएगा. We get methanol. What is left in this side? HCOONA. That is HCOONA. That is one example of Cannizzaro reaction. Another is benzaldehyde. C6H5COH, HCO C6H5. NaOH की प्रेजेंस में रिएक्शन कर लीजिए. So this H goes to this. यहां से एक H जो है वो कार्बन के पास चला जाएगा. You get benzyl alcohol plus sodium benzoate. That is benzoic acid में से H रिप्लेस होके Na चला गया. Fine. So this is all about your Cannizzaro reaction. दो छोटे छोटे रिएक्शन देख लेते हैं and then we end this session, that is Clemmenchen reduction and followed by Wolff-Kishner reduction. Now Clemmenchen reduction क्या है? तो बेसिकली जहां जहां कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड वहां वहां CH2, that is Clemmenchen. Fine. So Clemmenchen के अंदर यूज कौन सा करना है रिएजेंट? ZnHg and concentrated HCl. So wherever we have CO, you have to write CH2. So RCOR, in the presence of ZnHg HCl, you get RCH2R. Example डिस्कस कर लीजिए. CH3CO CH3, ZnHg HCl, you get CH3 CH2 CH3. Likewise C6H5CO CH3, same reaction, जहां जहां CO वहां वहां CH2. Next is Wolff-Kishner reduction. Once again जहां जहां CO वहां वहां CH2. You start with RCOR in the presence of NH2 NH2. So O from here, H2 from here, H2O is released. Once again in the presence of NH2 NH2, H2 from here, O from here, R C double bond N NH2. एथिलीन ग्लाइकोल KOH की प्रेजेंस में रिएक्शन कीजिए, ये N2 निकल जाएगा और H2 आ जाएगा. यू गेट RCH2R. एग्जाम्पल डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. वी हैव CH3CO CH3, NH2 NH2, H2O, H2O release. What is left? CH3 C double bond N NH2 CH3. इथिलीन ग्लाइकोल KOH की प्रेजेंस में रिएक्शन कीजिए, ये N2 निकल जाएगा. We get CH3 CH2 CH3. One more example, C6H5CO CH3, NH2 NH2 KOH. You get C6H5 C double bond N NH2 CH3. And when you hit this component, this N2 is released, you get C6H5 CH2 CH3. So this is all about your first sessions of revision of aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid, जिसके अंदर हमने खाली aldehyde and ketone पढ़ा. Next session we start with the carboxylic acid preparation followed by chemical reaction देखेंगे, and last part acidity के बारे में डिस्कशन करेंगे. So अच्छे से एक बार फिर से aldehyde ketone पढ़ लीजिएगा. This is all about from my side. Thank you so much.